Good morning, student. Now we will discuss decolonization and independence. After Second World War, over the 2 decades, most of Asian and American country became independent. They were handicapped by all. IMF and World Bank were designed to meet the financial needs of the industrial countries. They were not ready to help them. Europe and Japan rapidly rebuilt their economy and they grew less dependent on the IMF and World Bank. Hence, from late 1950, Bretton Woods institution gave attention on developing countries. Developing countries. US often managed to secure rights to exploit developing countries. Natural resources very cheaply purchased, and in this way US exploit developing countries. At this time, most developing countries did not benefit from the fast growth the Western economic experienced in 1950 and 52-60. So, this is the reason they organize, all the developing countries organized a group of 77, and this group of 77 is generally famous or known as G77. The main motto of this group was to demand a new international economic order. To demand a new international economic order, shortly NIEO. By NIEO, give them real control over their natural resources, more development assistance, fairer or fair price for raw materials, and better access for their manufactured goods in developed countries' market. These were the main ambition of G77, which helped the developing country to become independence. Thank you.